Hey guys, today we will learn about adding and subtracting polynomials. So, first, paano tayo ma-subtract and add ang polynomials? So, we add or subtract those who are like terms. So importante na yung maintindihan nyo kung ano yung like terms. So let us discuss it. So like terms, amo siya ang mga terms with the same variables and exponents. Okay? So example, we have 3x plus x. So like terms ni siya or hindi. So let's see, x man eh. So same silang variables. Ila exponent is also the same kay 1 kag 1. Kung silingon like terms sila, then we can add them. So we have 4x. So ang obrahon mo para mag-add ni sila, add mo lang ang ila coefficient. So ang coefficient niya di is 3, ang coefficient niya di is 1. So basta wala isang number, that means nga 1 ang iya coefficient. Okay? So add mo lang, then copy the variable. So do pare isang nanga-add ka mo, for example 1 apple plus 1 apple plus 3 apples. Okay? So apples and apples are the same. So then may ara ka 1 apple and may ara ka 3 apples, then we have 4 apples. Okay? So ang 1 kag 3 gin-add ta lang, then we copy the fruit nga name nga apple, or amo ni siya ang variables. So that is a daily analogy. So another 5x plus 2x squared. Okay, same variable, x hag x, same variable, same exponents. Ari is 1 ang exponent, ari is 2. So they are not like terms. So magamuni, hindi sila ma-add. So not like terms. So since hindi sila duwa ma-add, then just copy lang. Amo lang gina sila. That is their form na. Okay? Another example will be 3x plus y. So same variables, x and y is syempre hindi sila same variable. So these are not like terms. So as is na lang, amo na lang gini sila ya. So that's the same as adding 3 apples and 5 grapes. So apples and grapes are different. So hindi mo sila mahambal nga, hindi ma-add mo sila, hindi ka kahambal nga 8 apples. No, hindi ka makahambal nga 8 apples or 8 grapes, hindi ka makahambal nga amo na since sila inay sila nga duwa. So they are just 3 apples plus 5 grapes. No more simplification. Amo lang gina sila. So another 5xy plus 3xy. So same variables. So x kag y, 3x kag y. So exponents nila is same. So x kagang x, same exponent. Ang y kagang y, same exponent. So they can be added since they are like terms. So just add the coefficients and copy the xy. Okay? That's it. So another, let's say 5x squared y plus 3xy squared. So same variable. So same variable sila, may x kadi kag y. Sa 3 may ara ka man x kag y. So, exponents nila same. So, ang exponents ng x squared is 2. Ang exponents ng x is 1. So, dara pa lang, ang exponents ng x, hindi parehos. So, they are not like terms. So, amo na gini silang duwa. So, they cannot be added. So, let's say 5xy squared plus 5xy. So, are, like term sila. So, same variable sila. May x kundi kag may y. May x man kundi kag may y. Then, they have the same variables. May y, ang x kag x, same sila exponent, 1 kag 1. Ang y squared kag y, same sila exponent, hindi. Since ari is 2, ari is 1, then hindi sila same exponent, then they are not like terms. Okay, so man na siya sa sa iban nga variables. Let's say 5ab plus 2ab. Same sila kay a kag b. A kag b, ang a kag ang a pareho sila exponents, ang b kag b pareho sila exponents. Or let us say on the mas damo nga variable, so let's say 2n squared m squared n cube m squared p to the 4th. Okay? So are ma-like terms ni siya if same gid sila duwa sang variables and exponents. So are if n cube dapat sa piyak n cube man, ang m dapat sa piyak naka squared man, and p dapat sa piyak naka to the 4th man. So for example, what if aribi nagsulianay sila nga duwa? What if nagsulianay sila nga duwa? So n cube parehos, ang m to the 4th ug m squared hindi sila parehos. So mag-amo na mag-isa nga hindi sila parehos, then they are not like terms. So hindi gina sila pwede. So dapat kung pila ang exponent sa piyak sang a certain variable, dapat sa piyak amo man. So dapat identical gid ang ilang mga exponents. So m squared gid dapat kag p to the 4th. So amo na siya maghambal ka nga like terms. Okay? So let us have an example. We have 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 7. So sa dire, first is i-group ta ang like terms. So 3x squared. So x squared, ngita tadi x squared, okay, so 4x squared. Okay? So plus 5x is pare siya is 3x kay x lang duwa. Plus ari is negative 2 plus 7. So equals, so again 3 plus 4 is 7, then copy the x squared. Plus 5 minus 3 is 2, then copy the x. Plus negative 2 plus 7, that would be 5. So this is the answer. Okay, next example. Let's say we have 6x squared minus x plus 4 minus 3x plus 2x squared minus 1. So sa dire nag-minus ta. So first step is kung nag-minus ka, then after sa minus may ara parenthesis. Ang tanan nga sulod sang parenthesis, sulion mo ang sign, then you convert it into a plus. So plus, so are ang 3x ma negative 3x, ang 2x ma 2x squared mahimo sa minus 2x squared, negative 1 mahimo sa plus 1. Okay? Then copy ang sa piyak. So amo na sang tandaan mo. If may ara kasang minus, then after sang minus may ara sa parenthesis, then sa sulod sang parenthesis may ara polynomials, then ang minus himuon mo plus, then ang sign sang kada term will be reversed. So amo lang na siya. So after sana, that would be combine group like terms. So 6x squared. So x squared minus 2x squared iya pares. Okay? Plus negative x. So are minus 3x kay negative 3x plus 4. So 4 pares siya is 1 kay constant sila duha. So 6 minus 2 is 4 x squared plus negative or ano na lang. Sige. Negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4. So, copy x. Plus 4 plus 1 is 5. Simplifying, we have 4x squared minus 4x plus 5. So, this is the final answer. So, another. We have 4x squared y minus 3xy plus y squared minus negative 2y squared plus x squared y plus 5xy. Okay? So again, naga-minus ka di. Then may ara ka parenthesis sa sa after sang minus, then we will convert it into a plus, then reverse the sign. So, negative 2y squared will be positive 2y squared. So, ari, ang plus, ma-minus siya. So, x squared y. Ari, ma-minus man. So, 5xy. Okay. Then, copy. Tanan lang eh. So, ang rason nga kung may negative ka or may minus ka, then sa sulod sang parenthesis gina sulita ang sign. So the reason for that is that kung mag-minus ka, it's the same as adding sang negative sang isa ka number. So for example, 3 minus positive 5. So 3 minus positive 5 is just the same as 3 plus negative 5. Okay? Or 3 minus 5. So, ang subtraction is addition of the reverse nga sign. Or example, 5 minus negative 2. So, ang 5 minus negative 2 is just the same as 5 plus positive 2. So, ano mo lang, suli mo lang ang sign. Sang are, kagsang are. So, or it can be also interpreted, or another way to interpret it is, ang negative mo ni is negative 1 ni siya. So, ang negative 1 mo, i-distribute mo siya isa-isa sa kada terms. So, remember nga whenever naga-multiply ta sang negative, ang tanan nga sign nga gina-multiplyan sa negative will be reversed. So, that's just another way of interpreting sang minus. Nga may parenthesis after sina. So, anyway, we will group terms 4x squared y. So, anong para sa x squared y? 4x squared. So, x squared y pa din nila. So, minus x squared y. Okay? Plus, 3xy. Minus 5xy. So, negative 3xy gali. So, minus 5xy. Plus, y squared. Plus 2y squared. Okay, so always remember nga group tang like term. So x squared y xy dxy man di, and y squared kag y squared. So next we will add the coefficients. So 4 minus 1 is 3, copy, plus negative 3 minus 5 is negative 8, copy dayon the variables, plus 1 plus 2 is 3, so 3y squared. So equivalent to 3x squared y minus 8xy plus 3y squared. So this is the answer. Okay, so let's have a bit na tweak there. Let's say we meron ka din plus 4y. Okay, let's say na. So again, copy tan then ma-plus, then ma-reverse ang sign, 2y squared plus x squared y, or minus na ni siya, minus 5xy minus 4y. Okay, so next will be 4x squared y, so ngita pares siya. So minus x squared y plus minus 3xy. So xy, minus 5xy plus y squared, pares ang y squared is 2. Okay, so may 4y ka. Ang 4y wala sang pares. So ang himuon mo pag wala siya sang pares nga same nga like term, then just copy. Amo na siya. So base may mga problems nga maka-encounter kamo nga ang mayara sang isa ka term nga wala siya sang pares nga term. So this means that add ta sila. So 4 minus 1 is 3 x squared y. So minus 8 xy, 2 plus 3y squared, so minus 4y. Okay, so just copy ang wala pares. So always remember nga ang y kag y squared hindi sila like term, so hindi mo sila duha ma-add. So ang ini nga example, for example mera ka let's say x squared y, or 2 plus 3x plus y plus 5x squared y plus let's say z plus 2x squared y plus 3y. O let's say amo ni. So again, group ta like terms. So 2x squared y, so tanan nga may x squared y plus 5x squared y. So remember nga ang ginagroup ta hindi lang sila hambal nga limited sa duwa, kundi pwede pa ni siya magsobra. So for example, sa diri nga example, tatlo ka wilog nga x squared y sa atong nga ginbutang. So sa kaginang mga examples puros lang duwa. So may mga case nga tatlo or apat or more, or siya lang isa. So pares di tatlo niya aton nga nga x squared y. So then 3x, so may pares ang 3x, wala. Okay, plus y, so ang y may upod siya nga 3y. Okay, plus z. Okay, so ang 3x kag z wala sila pares, so just copy them. Then simplifying, we have 2 plus 5 plus 2 is 9. X squared y plus 3x plus 1 plus 3 is 4y plus c. So this is the answer. So I hope nga naman natunan ka mo sa aton nga video subong. And just remember nga like terms are terms in which they have the same variable and mera the same exponent ang kada variable. So thank you for watching.